Installing NeuroHUD is simple. There's no trim removal and no wiring modification, making it 100% safe for your vehicle's warranty. The projector unit is mounted on a custom base, developed through laser-scanned reverse engineering to precisely match the contours of the Tesla dashboard, and secured in place with 3M double-sided adhesive. Just connect USB power to the compute box behind the screen, and it is ready to go. The cable can be tucked into the gaps between trim panels and secured with wire clips to keep it out of your line of sight, maintaining a clean and tidy interior. This works for both newer and older Tesla models. At the moment, we are using third-party wire clips, so the fit is not yet as seamless as we would like. We are currently working with our designer to create custom wire clips specifically designed for Tesla interiors. NeuroHUD. Stay focused, stay in control.